How to open my Ether wallet account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have downloaded my Ether wallet account. Now just open the application. Okay, here we go. Now let's wait for some time. Now over here you can see the option of create a new wallet. So just tap on it. So over here you can see various information, just read it and at last select the option of create a wallet. Now you have to create a PIN and make sure that you create a strong one. Let's re-enter the PIN again. Okay, now let's wait for some time until your wallet is created. Now simply tap on Finish. Now over here I recommend you to back up your data or else you will face certain risks. Now simply tap on Accept or Cancel and just turn on the notifications. Now you can see that you have successfully created your account on my Ether wallet. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to like and subscribe.